got the best of me, embracing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free, yeah. Oh no. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. And I. You and I. I've done my part, no reason left to keep you. Let the thought of us wither. Nothing left but all our pictures. Was praying for possibilities. Lately you got the best of me, yeah. Yeah. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. And I. You and I. Cross my.
Okay, these are the sanded so far. Okay, so over here is non-sanded yet. Sanded. Now he told me and Ron that, let me show y'all over here. I'm gonna show you this part first. So you see these lines, each little plank, right? He initially said that when he started sanding, it was gonna be one smooth floor, right? And that the stain would pick up on the already light, dark. So that's where the stain wood grain would come into play. But right here, in this one area here, he stained a little harder. And so there is no line there, as opposed to here, where you can see a line. There is no line here. I prefer this, where you can still see the line and the individual planks, as opposed to sanding it down to one, even though it still looks nice with the whole, because you can still see the wood grain at the end of the day. But I just prefer to have it still with the individual planks. He hasn't gotten around the trim, around the outer. This is just the inner portion, but he's done this whole part. It's plastic, everything off. We can't get nothing. No, just everything is plastic. The refrigerator's back there, just nothing. So this is the unfinished. And there's the supervisor, always on site. And this is where he stopped. Right here, let me go right in this corner so you can see he's coming this way. Okay. We had to remove everything at the theater so that he could do this floor in here. And they replaced the toilets for you. But this is what the bathroom looks like. We had to take everything out. So wherever there is flooring, had to have everything off. So all that paint that I got on the floor and Ron, whatever, it doesn't even matter. And see, here's the old floor right here. So this is kind of like where they'll stop. Watch, when this is done, and this is over here touching this, and Ron come in here, we'll have him back out here. Day 2, and here's the progress so far. Everything, okay, yeah. This is day 2 of this process. Baby just broke down his theater room right here. So let me show y'all this room because y'all have never seen it before. Probably would have been better with the stuff in it, but he's prepping this room to paint it. He's wanting to repaint because he used 2 different colors that he thought was the same and it wasn't a while back. So now he wants to fix that. He had to put all his theater wires, all his wires up off the floor so that the man could finish sanding in here. But he prepped the walls for a new coat of dark gray paint in this room. This room, I think, is originally like a study. But whenever he brings the theater back into this room, it has a black ceiling. It's a whole thing when it's intact. So I'll bring you back in here when he puts the room back together. But of course, this is what it looks like for the purposes of the floors. And again, this is where they are in this process so far. Everything again is still just plastic it off, and he's got to do all the around this way. I guess he used something different for that, but the main parts of it, even through there, is done. Well, not done, but you know, the first part of it. Baby, you got any wise man words to say? It's so much brighter in here. Let's look at this. This is, and there's nothing going on, but look how bright this is.
They got us in here like E.T.
No, we in here like Dexter. This is how Dexter do, okay?
Who is Dexter?
The serial killer that plastic all the rooms off when he get ready to kill him. This is what it looks like right here. This is a kill room. Yes. Leave me a comment down below. Let me show y'all something. Let me just take a vote. I don't ask for y'all opinion much, but y'all give it to me anyway. So leave me a comment down below. Hear me out. This light, picture this. 2021. This light fixture is turned this way. Okay, so it's going this way, right? Table, this direction instead of this direction. Buffet, table this way. Would you or not? Let me let you look at it. Light fixture, turn this way. So you see it, first thing. Table this way. See the table right here, buffet right here. And don't worry about nothing else yet. Just what do you think in that area? That's just my thought process right now. I don't have anything really to show y'all because we just in can't do nothing mode right now. And I don't know where my tripod is, so I just combined the progress for both things in this one video. That's all, I mean, so I can give y'all something. This light, still focusing, trying to figure out what type of light I want up there. I'm thinking, like I can visually see something round like this. See my finger? Y'all probably thinking, here she go. Round like this though. And black or dark. Maybe even with crystals of some sort. Because Ron hates my chandeliers. Which I don't know why he hates them, but they give him grandma vibes. So, see, she too scary for this type of stuff. This house, this room, I just brought y'all in there. That just went off. I can't. Like, this is scary for me.
Well, baby, you know, I will hook it up for you. I do all the scripts, I do all the language, and so, you know, I set it up where it knows you in the house and it adjusts accordingly. Mm-hmm. That's all. That's all. Matter of fact, well, whatever. You got it.
Look, Stay at the job site. Stay.
Because in here is only this switch here.
The one switch.
The one switch operates this plug. And that's it. That's the only switchable thing in here. Outside if I put smart plugs on, but you know, I don't know. We might not need it. I'm loving it though. Ooh, I didn't know I didn't like orange.
The floor you talking about?
I had no idea that I did not like orange floors. Now every time I see orange, I'm like, ugh. I was perfectly fine.
I know. Look at that. Just to honey, this looks better. It ain't nothing on this. It's just
now what I'm
down to
gonna
the
do.
natural.
Also, what we need to do is the register. I don't know, but we need to get new registers. Either new registers, maybe match the floor.
Are you talking about the ones on the floor? What about everybody wants to know about this? What are you gonna do here? Are you painting this? What you doing?
Yeah, I mean, we can figure out what color, but the only reason why I'm getting nothing there is because of the floors getting sanded. Floors get sanded, the dust all in there, so it don't make no sense of doing that right now. I either gonna wash it off and spray paint it, or white, or we can, you know, maybe make it black. I don't know.
No.
Or the color of the floor registers. Whatever, or it could just be white.
Oh, the floor registers, as in these over here, or the vents.
And we might as well upgrade because look.
Upgrade what?
Upgrade the floor vents. Because they these ugly, you know, they old, original. And so we get the, you know, the new one maybe with the little design or whatever on them, something like that, you know. I don't want to clean these and spray paint these. This is a waste of time.
Okay.
Might as well just get new ones.
Okay.
What you think?
I'm with you, baby. I'm with whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do. They covered up the mirrors. Let's say all that. They plastic that off. Kitchen, kill room. Everything is.
Did you say the kill room?
Dexter's kill room.
It look like E.T.
Why E.T.?
You know when E.T. got sick, and then got all the plastic and stuff you couldn't get in the room with E.T. because he was sick. You know what I'm talking about?
I remember E.T., but I don't remember the plastic
How
though.
you not?
I remember E.T. I remember it.
Hey, that's the part where everybody cried.
Why
He
cry?
died in the big swing room.
What happened to him, baby? What happened to him?
Yeah, he got sick.
Did he die?
Yeah, he died.
He didn't come back?
Oh my God, are you serious?
That's been a long, baby. I was like 6 or 7, 8, something like that.
Forget E.T. Yeah, he came back. He had to fall down.
Who brought your phone home too, okay? My tripod is sold someplace. I don't know where. Oh, this is listen, I had a rough day today. A really rough day. We're not even gonna talk about it. I was at the penthouse. There was a lot going on. Okay. I'm past it now. I'm back down here at the chateau. Is this, hon, I was crying earlier. She was an emotional wreck. I was so emotional earlier. Yeah, my eyes are still swollen, but it's okay. It's life, it's real life. So just be sensitive on some stuff, y'all. You know, I'll be sensitive. But I'm in my happy place. Well, the penthouse is a happy place too. I'm taking that from the penthouse. Penthouse is a happy place. It was just a rough day today because it was a lot of emotions. For me, Remy, really? Come here. Come here. Come here, son. I finally got a son, y'all. Remy. Hey, boy. It's you slob on my hand. Hey, boy. Say hey. Remy, say hey. Say hey, family. Hey, family. Hey, family. Yeah, so anyway, sit you right here. I'm on the steps. But it was I don't know what, it don't matter. It don't even matter. I'm past it. Look what I got in my purse. Look, let me show you something. I'm so tired. I'm about to go to sleep. I'm about to run me a hot bath. In the bathroom you just saw. That bathroom is not done, by the way. But I just needed to do a quick fix. You know what I'm saying? Yep, because she's a grandma. I just needed to do like a quick couple hour fix to get it to me. Because I spent a lot of time in that bathroom. So how it is right now, a lot of it'll stay, but I want to add some stuff. I want to make it a little bit more, oh my God, these freaking lights, y'all, are still cutting off. I can't deal, can I? Oh my God, okay. I may come back with the closing. I'm not sure how long is this video. If not, y'all, it might be short, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I'll call y'all tomorrow if I don't come back tonight. I'll call you tomorrow. Okay? Sis, brother. Auntie love you, in case I don't come back. I love you, and I might call you tomorrow. Well, I will call you tomorrow. Oh, wait a minute. Tomorrow I go live. Well, if you're watching this video on the day I go live tonight. If you're watching it Thursday, I go live tonight at between 7 and 8. I don't know where I'm gonna go live from. Oh my God. Anyway, be on the lookout. Okay, bye.